the shop window. Twilight, dim light, light of magic. In between time, half-seen time. Voices, faces, buildings merge. Mind wind blows and wraps us, carries us in eddies, in merging streams, along the streetscape, softly into dreams. Sunset after flaring sun, day's work done, evening's freedom frolicsome and fraught. Or else return to unchanged, lonely rooms and single meals, nothing and no one, the harsh lamp flaring down on vacancy. In the busy, half-lit street they loitered, dry, wind-drifted, mindless leaves fallen from sparse, urban, shedding trees, blown together by the merest chance, before the amber-lighted window of a shop that sold tobacco, cigarettes, paraphernalia of the smoker's life, bowls of deliciously shredded, moistened leaf, polished, gleaming wood of fragrant pipes that held the promise of narcotic bliss. Their glances met, each read the other's face and similar need. Brief, half-stopped, flustered steps along the street, a sudden gust of wind, a secret sign, each reading aright the over-emphatic nod, Masonic greeting of the Brotherhood, the pungent back of a cab, in those days sealed, perfect for lovers' closeness, heat of each other's nearness, hand to hand, lips upon hot lips.